Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to register a restaurant on Talabat online. If you own a restaurant and want to reach thousands of customers through Talabat, you can register your business online by applying to become a Talabat restaurant partner. Once your application is approved and onboarding is complete, you receive access to the Talabat partner portal where you can manage your menu, receive orders, and monitor your restaurant's performance. From the Talabat app itself, you can head over to Accounts, click on Accounts. Right in this account management page, click on Register as a partner. And that is going to take you right into the website where you can now become a partner. So now on the registration page, you'll be asked to enter basic information about your business. Okay, thank you for all of that. So depending on your country, the information or the form may ask for restaurant name, owner or contact person's name, mobile phone number, business email address, restaurant address, city or delivery area. All right, so just take your time and ensure every detail is accurate. As Talabat, we use this information to contact you during the onboarding process. So for me, you have your business name, first name, last name, business type, enter up to 5 branches, your role in your business. Do you have a trade license, mobile number, store landline? And once you have done all of that, click on register. So also, once you click on register, you may also be asked to provide information such as type of cuisine, restaurant category, business or trade name, number of branches, preferred delivery model where applicable. Providing complete and accurate information can help speed up the review process. Talabat will ask you to submit the legal documents required for your country, and these commonly include valid trade or business license, owners or authorized representatives identification, tax or VAT registration where required, bank account details for payout, and any other legally required business documents. The exact documents vary by country, so upload everything requested to avoid delays. Before submitting, double check that every information is A-OK and click on register. Then your application will be sent to Talabat's partnership team for review. After submission, Talabat will review the information you provided. If additional details or documents are required, a member of the partnership team will contact you using the phone number or email address you submitted. Approval times may vary depending on your country and the completeness of your application. And once your application is approved, Talabat will guide you through the onboarding. After onboarding is complete, you receive access to the Talabat partner portal. Once your restaurant profile goes up and menu have been approved, your restaurant will become visible to customers in your service area. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.